back to another video. Today we're doing an unboxing of my new phone. I got this on eBay. I'll give you more details, but we're going to give you a little bit of suspense as to what this is from eBay. So I'm going to open this. So here we can see the very first thing. Maybe you can tell what phone it is by this. Let me know if you can, but this is a case they're giving me, it looks like. Is it an OtterBox? Nah, maybe it's just generic. But either way, nice. Then this is just a little clear case. And then we get the phone itself. So let's put this box off to the side. And you may or may not have guessed, but this is an iPhone XS. XS Max, actually. Doesn't say it on the side or anything. It looks like we got the original packaging. The phone was left on with like no battery, so that's great. Let's see if I get my Apple stickers in this. They left their SIM card tools in too. This was definitely not how it was originally packaged, but hey, you know, we can have some fun with it. And no, I don't get the Apple stickers, but that's alright. You know, I really didn't expect it. So this is gonna need some charging. Let me show you the condition and everything. They did put some headphones in, but no charger. It's fine. So iPhone XS Max, and it seems like a real one. Like I said, low battery and everything. I'm gonna set it up, activate. Well, it's not gonna activate. I didn't put a card in yet. Alright, so it's got a glass screen protector, which is very chipped, but I don't think the actual phone itself is. So that's good. I'm going to take it off because I'm going to put my own one on just to see if there are any cracks or if it is just the case itself. We'll set up Face ID. But actually, we're going to do this for you guys. I'm going to take off the screen protector to make sure there's no actual cracks on the screen and it's just the case. And that looks to be the case. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Let's look around the phone too. The stainless steel sides don't seem chipped or anything. I'll come back to you guys after I set it up and then I'll give you why I went for this phone. Okay, and we're back. iPhone XS Max. Why I chose it? Well, this is the only iPhone I've technically never owned in the main line. I've owned all of them one time or another. Some of them are in my old phone collection where I got them for extremely cheap, but I skipped out on the XS in favor of the Galaxy S10 because I thought it was like no difference between the 10 I had before. And although I probably still believe that, we'll see what I think about the XS in comparison to 10 now that I kind of am making that jump. When you're buying a used phone, you want to see the battery capacity. So I haven't checked that yet. They didn't specify. So let's hope for 90% or higher. Right here we go into battery and moment of truth. Alright, I said 90% or higher. So you know what, I'll take it. It's not the worst, not the best. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, if you have any questions about why I picked this, let me know. We'll see how it goes. And actually, we'll do one last thing before we go. We'll do a SIM card test. So we'll switch from iPhone to iPhone. I was using iOS 14, and I'm going to continue to use this as my test device for it. And I'll give you guys my thoughts. But we're going to switch the SIM out from this into here. Let's hope it works on Verizon. Because if that doesn't, that's another thing where you'll have to send it back. Okay, moment of truth, guys. Actually, I'll shut this down first. If you were switching from an Android phone, you should turn off iMessage, but we're going from iPhone to iPhone, so it really shouldn't make a difference. As you can see, it's a little scratched up, but I think I could polish this stainless steel. And this one's got a SIM card in it from them. It's a Verizon one just like mine. Hopefully they didn't need that. It didn't look like it was activated or anything, so I'm sure they're not using it. Okay, so moment of truth. Now place in your bets right now to see if it will work or not. I'm gonna say it does. Everything to this point doesn't lead me to believe that it doesn't. So you see an LTE signal up there. It says Verizon. Okay, we got the bars and it looks like it does work. So great. Thank you all so much for watching. Appreciate this. If you want to know more about the eBay process, how much I got it for and everything, you can ask in the comments. And hope you all are doing well. And peace.